is a woman who does procure an abortion, say through using abortion pills, is that a criminal act in Ireland right now?
Well, you've heard me mention there the Protection of Life During Pregnancy Act of 2013, and within that act there is a provision which is section 22 of that act, and that says that it is the intentional destruction of unborn human life is a criminal offence. So that is the offence contained within the 2013 act. That particular offence carries a maximum penalty of 14 years imprisonment or a fine or both. The duration of the prison sentence must not exceed 14 years. Of course, a lesser sentence may be imposed by the court, but that is a criminal offence currently on our statute books.
Okay. And if the 8th is not, if the Article 43.3 is not repealed in the event of this referendum, could the government decriminalise that act?
Well, in relation to that, Article 43.3 in brief acknowledges the right to life of the unborn. So in order to vindicate and to defend that right, one of the ways of doing that is by way of a criminal sanction. And it is the duty of the state to vindicate and to defend a constitutional right. So we, the Referendum Commission, think it is unlikely that it would be removed from the statute books.